Hello and welcome to the fifth video in the series. In this video we're going to finish up bringing over the last of the sprite manager scripts that we need. So let's go ahead and get that going. I'm going to actually go into Visual Studio and then I'm going to add new item. Sorry, that's kind of off the screen, but so basically all I did was hit add new item and it brings up this one, and I'm going to scroll down. Once again, I'm going to use my Unity mono behavior, and I'm just going to call this sprite. From there, I'm going to go back to the website, and then I'm going to copy all of the stuff that is contained inside of the sprite script. This script is the one that's responsible for controlling a lot of its animation, its visibility, its layering, and various other pieces that make the whole system come together and work. So I'm going to copy. I'm going to come over here, highlight everything so I can replace it, hit paste, and that gets the sprite up and going. So from here, it's now pasted. One of the things that you at this point should probably verify is your naming. You should look and make sure that the class here, sprite, matches up with your file name. Also check that in the linked sprite manager. Make sure linked sprite manager is the same as your CS file, along with the sprite manager. This one though is a little bit different. We have to scroll down a bit to find it. And sprite manager is the same here. If these names don't match with the classes defined inside of them, Unity will report an error and will be rather upset with you. So come back here and notice, like I said, after we got the sprite script in place, those errors went away. So from here, what I want to do is I'm going to hit File. I'm going to save my scene just in case. And then I'm going to do one additional piece, and that is to select all three of the scripts, and then I'm going to export it as a package. I'll make sure all of them are checked, and I'm going to hit export. And then from here, you can go into your directory. Let me move this up here so everybody can see what I'm doing. Basically search down to your Unity folder, editor, standard packages in here, and I'm going to call this sprite manager. And then I'm going to hit save. So basically all we did is we've exported and created a sprite manager package. So instead of having to go back with every new project creating some empty classes and copying that code in, we've now got a package so we can import that package directly from our Unity. So if we go back in, files, program files, back to Unity, into editor, and then we go right down to standard packages, and we now have our sprite manager package which can be imported. So with that, that's all I wanted to show you in this video. In the next video, we're actually going to get started and set up our scene so we can move forward from there. Till then, see you next time.